Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Custom Knife Factory FIF20 here with me. This is a Philippe Georget design. It's a pretty cool knife made in Russia. Carbon fiber scale, mokutai bolsters, 7.75 inch long overall with a 4.25 inch long handle. Very, very nice design, actually. I love this. This is a front flipper, by the way. You see, you front flip it like this. Has a pretty nice sound. Very, very deep clack when you open it, and a nice clink, and very, very elegant clink when you close it. But when you open it, it's deep and high pitch and low pitch. So really, really cool sound. Great ergos. Actually, in the pocket is gonna weight in at 4.3 ounces. Fit and finish is it's very good. Nice zirconium backspacer, zirc pocket clip as well, with a right amount of spring tension. The blade is a little bit off center in this case over here. And the smoothness, the speed of deployment, and the action overall are just truly spectacular. So really, really good. Runs on bearings, and it's made in Russia. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.